So for my project, I chose to do paper because it's one of the most simplest objects that is around you every single day. Um, the science behind it, the chemical properties that make up paper include oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen. So when I was looking up some different ways to make paper, it was crazy to see that there was more than just one way. And they actually use little science experiments in schools to sometimes make paper, and I think that would be cool to see because paper no one even really knows probably how to make paper, and it's honestly cool to understand. To make paper, one must break down the plant. So obviously everyone knows that paper comes from trees. So there's a certain way to do all that, which I personally would like to try to make eventually. That would be awesome. Technology, the history behind paper is people used to write them on rocks, write anything communication-wise on rocks. They used to have little ink feathers to write on paper and just different things. Anything they could find to write on, they would write on. So it's crazy how paper has changed to be hard and durable, and there's many different kinds of paper too, not just, there's strong paper out there, flimsy paper. It's honestly crazy. Even the different types of notebooks you have are just crazy too. Engineering, so the creation behind paper has been used on other materials like writing on cardboard and rocks and anything that people have used. And it's crazy because people use paper every single day. It's not just technology either. Your job, anything, your school, everyone uses paper. You could probably look up in your room and see paper somewhere. Everyone has paper. Also, I didn't realize that when I took this class, it was crazy to think that mathematics is used to create things. So people use mathematics to do different sizes, shapes. I know when you get notebooks, it'll say a certain size and notebook it is, and then sometimes in school you have to have a certain size or whatever. When it comes to learning about paper, it's crazy to think how much humans are evolving too. As humans will grow and become more technology efficient and all this, paper is also growing with humans. So way back when, obviously paper used to not be paper. It was rocks or any type of communication that people use. Now it's just evolving with the technology and how humans are growing every single day. And then here are my references to the science websites I use. But yes, I decided to do paper because just like the pencil, it is something that you'll use every single day. And then I wanted to know how is paper really actually made, in depth, not just knowing that it is made out of tree. Thank you.